Methods of Marketing Control presented by Shrija Shetty, MCom previous, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Marketing control is the process of monitoring the proposed plans as they proceed and adjusting where necessary. Control involves measurement, evaluation and monitoring. Four types of marketing control according to Philip Kotler. Methods of marketing control: annual plan control, profitability control, efficiency control and strategic control. Annual plan control. This is the most basic of all control used in marketing organization. The main purpose of this control is to monitor and take corrective actions to examine whether planned sales results are being achieved. Annual plan control is a significant, continuous, ongoing performance verification against the annual plan and taking necessary corrective actions. Measures of annual plan control. First one, analysis of different sales. Analysis of different sales contains measuring and evaluating different sales, that is total sales, territory-wise sales and distribution channel-wise sales. Second one, analysis of market share. Here market share is used as a base for measuring, comparing and correcting results. It helps to know how well the company is performing relative to its close competitor. Third one, analysis of market expenses to sales. This type of control check marketing expenses. Different marketing expenses are watched in relations to sales. Fourth one, analysis of customer and stakeholders attitude. It consists of a measuring or recording stakeholders attitude. It shows the pattern of stakeholders performance. Profitability control. Company should measure the profitability of their product, customer group, segment, trade channel and other size to help determine whether to expand, reduce or eliminate any product or marketing activities. Profitability control means mechanism of monitoring the sales made, profit earned and expenditure incurred by a company. Process of marketing profitability analysis. It involves first one, identifying functional expenses. It consists of determining expenses to be incurred for the marketing activities. Second one, preparing profit and loss statement. A profit and loss statement is prepared for each of product, channel, territories, etc. to evaluate their relative performance. Third one, assigning functional expenses to marketing entities. Expenses of particular heads are associated with the different entities like product, channel, territories, etc. Fourth one, taking action. On the basis of profit and loss statement, necessary actions can be directed. Actions include one or more of the following, that is expanding product, reducing product, eliminating product, reducing any of expenses, increasing sales, etc. Efficiency control. Suppose a profitability analysis reveals that the company earning poor profit in connecting with certain product, territories or market. It reveals whether the company run in a poor profit or not. Types of efficiency control. First one, sales force efficiency control. Common criteria used to measure and evaluate the sales force efficiency include average number of sales call per salesman in a day, average sales call time spread per contact, average revenue generated per call, average cost incurred per call. Second one, advertising efficiency control. Advertising is the most expensive among all the promotional tools. A company sets advertising goals and compared actual contribution of advertising to devise how far advertising has been capable to fulfill firm's expectation. Third one, sales promotion efficiency control. This control is exercised by sales manager. Sales promotion efficiency measures the impact of sales promotion efforts on sales, profit, competitiveness and consumer satisfaction. Fourth one, distribution efficiency control. By a suitable distribution network, company can improve its profitability. Distribution efficiency control measures how far company's distribution system is efficient to achieve marketing goals. Fifth one, marketing research efficiency control. Marketing research is a process of gathering, analyzing and interpreting data relating to any marketing problems. Fourth one, strategic control. Strategic control implies a critical review of overall marketing effectiveness in relations to bold and long-term objective and firm's response to marketing environment. It deals with the assessing firm's ability to define and achieve marketing goals and response pattern to environment. Methods of tools. First one, the marketing effectiveness review. It involves the review of overall marketing performance. It helps finding effectiveness of several business plans in terms of sale growth, market share and profitability. Second one, the marketing audit. Audit means to examine systematically. It is a systematic examination or investigation of all critical aspects of marketing department. Third one, the marketing excellence review. This is more or less similar to marketing effectiveness review. Here performance is reviewed relatively. Fourth one, the ethical and social responsibility review. The review decides whether firms' marketing policies and practices are ethically and socially true. Thank you.